back for Antonio. Funny thing happened today. I was actually doing a video installation for landscape lighting outside of your house. Big, beautiful brick house. I was doing landscape lighting outside, and I actually got a question from one of my followers just recently. He wants to know if he's qualified to install landscape lighting. So, kind of ironic. It's a great video. I'm going to try and get that posted up maybe a little sooner than later. But to answer your question, Russell, yes, you can. Definitely can. They've made the installation of landscape lighting so much easier these days and less complicated. So, you know, run to the Home Depot, Lowe's, Amazon. I would suggest going to Amazon, or I'm sorry, to Lowe's or Home Depot. Pick out the lights you like. You can see them on display. There's a lot of different features now that come with the lights where you can change the tone of the lighting to LED or a standard yellow lighting, you know. But there's a couple different features on the dials now of the lights where you can change the coloring of the lighting. But definitely go to the store, look at the lights, check the wattages. They make solar lights. I'm not a big fan of solar lights. I like the low voltage lighting with the transformers. I get a nice steady light all the time. And they also make lights where you can change the colors to red, green. You know, for the holidays, you can change it to holiday colors. So there's a lot of cool lights out on the market these days. So first of all, you want to pick out the style lights. You got to get a transformer, okay, that you need to mount. You can mount them outside next to a receptacle. I sometimes mount them inside the garage. You know, I don't know, I guess because there's electric sometimes in the garage right on the inside wall, and I just drill a hole right through the house. But you'll see that in the video, and they're easy to access. And but you know, the newer light systems and transformers now are smart systems, so you can work everything from your phone. I mean, it's incredible. You can do everything from your phone now. So you know, and everything is just clip connectors. You know, you buy the wire, they clip right to the light connectors. You just bury the wires. I mean, it's a super easy job. That's a great question, Russell. Look for my video upcoming on landscape lighting outdoors. So thanks, guys. As usual, it's summertime. We're having a lot of fun doing some of these projects outdoor now that the weather is a little cooler right now. So have a great summer. We'll see you soon. Like, subscribe, and till the next time. Sorry for the noise of my truck, guys. It's just a great opportunity for me to do some tutorials while I am not too busy on the jobs, and well, I know there's a little bit of noise in the truck, but forgive me for the loud instrumentation inside the vehicle. There's a lot of chatter going on in the back of this truck. So I'll just talk a little louder. How's that, guys? Alrighty. Thanks again, guys.